Well, that's Mike from Custom Cruiser, who are our billet CNC for controls. Okay, beautifully made, as you can see. All this is proper alley, and being polished billet means you can always buff it up. Basically, this will bolt onto your bike on the original engine mounts like this. Okay, and that gives you your brake pedal. We recommend a silicon dot 5 because it won't take your paint off and it won't attack anything, doesn't absorb water. So the silicon 5 brake fluid we do provide with these Fords. And as you can see, you get new banjo bolt, beautiful stainless banjo bolt and washers. Okay, your other side, the brake side, sorry, your gear lever side, this here you can adjust where you want. So what we do is we leave this bit loose, so wherever you want to adjust this, okay, you can obviously swing this wherever you like. So we'll nip it up for now, but say you wanted it so when your foot's here, okay, you'd obviously have that straight up. You basically have 90 degrees on here. So you know, depending on what angle, because obviously when these are on the bike they're going to sit like that, okay, so that would be the wrong angle. So you basically bolt them up, get your brake right, and then move it to exactly where you want it. But if you're interested in any of these XV1600 Fords, give us a bell, 01773 835 666, www.customcruisers.com or customcruisers.eu. Thank you.